Hey guys, welcome back to releasethecraftin. Priscilla here. Little Quickie Stickii unboxing. I forgot that I had this in the mailbox and just sort of left my mail unchecked. So we're getting to this a little bit late in the month, but still, I'm not any less excited. I only got one this time. This is a vintage pack. Stickii Club is a sticky subscription sticky. Words are really hard. It is a sticker subscription service. I'll link the website down below. I'm not affiliated or sponsored or anything like that, but you can check it out yourself and get all the information you need there. I'm just going to open this up and give you guys my impressions on this month's sticker thing. And I'm pretty dang excited for it, not going to lie, because I don't even remember what this theme was. That's how much I forgot about this. So let's see. Ew. This month is field notes. And that's exciting to me. So we put this on here so we don't die. Oh, it's crooked. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Like, I usually don't care that much, but that was really crooked. There we go. There we go. Look at how nice that looks. Okay, so we didn't die. Crisis averted. And the first thing we have is a little, like, packet of little notes, little post-it notes. I don't know if they're post-it notes. They might just be little notes. But that's really cute. Little field notes with a little, like, journal. And, like, all the little paraphernalia of that field. And this is by Katria Raiden? I don't know where the break is in that. It might be Katria Raiden. I don't know. Check her out on Insta. And then the little specialty dude we got here is a little magnifying glass stamp. And that is legitimately so freaking cool. I'll definitely get a lot of use out of this one. So excited for that. And then let's see what we got in store. So we're going to get a little closer. Of that. You can see all the beautiful details. So, first up, we have this seat. Wow. I've been talking for a little bit now, and I think, yeah, I've hit the point of mush mouth. Because words are really hard. But at any rate, we have this from Alice Noah. And it is a little sticky, like, curio cabinet. Which is cute. They're gilded, which is nice. And yeah, it's got like some fossilized like curios and little shelves and storages and bits and bobs. Some little fossils, which is really cute. Yeah, those are super cute. And then this one is from Stickii Club, and it's like a bunch of field notes. Get out of the way. That's why. I was like, man, my camera won't focus. It's because there's other stuff in the background. But these are really cute. And there's some more dino stuff. So, like, more fossilized little field notes. And that's a really cute little thing. I like these a lot. Those are sweet. Usually the sticky stuff is, like, normally passable, like, fair stickers. But I think I like that a lot. It's probably my favorite of the, like, regular sticky sets. That was staticky. And then we have some more Stickii Club stuff with some more paleontologies. And now we have some fossils, which are also genuinely very cool. I was not anticipating fossils to be the theme of field notes, but I'm not mad at it, because that's pretty neat. Now I just want to make a dinosaur journal. And I think I have the fabric for it. Ooh. No, I can't be distracted right now. I have other things going on. Later date. Put a pin in that. We'll come back to it. This one is by Lamb Little Illustration. And these are precious. Look at the little chicken. Teeny tiny chicken. And we got some mushrooms and some herbs and plants. And I really like this. These are nice. Look at the little dandelion. That's pretty. So some really pretty, like, very fine watercolor illustrations. And little stickers. And those are so nice. I kind of wish that these were clear backed because The border on these is, it's not too bad, but it's bordery, as you can see. But it looks like it's washi paper material, so it should like matte down a little bit. It won't be as noticeable a border as like a hard white edge would be. So I'm not mad at that either. That's really nice. This is what I was expecting the whole kit to look like, but that's like on brand for field notes. That's what I was anticipating. And then here we have another little set of Stickii Club stuff, and it looks like just the paper ephemera associated with field notes. There's some light academia things happening here, and that's also very nice. I can't talk, guys. We're just gonna roll with it. Like I am a verbose, proficient human being. These little index stickers are nice. I actually would have loved like a sheet of these. Like I don't use the ones with the numbers that much, but something like this with just the floral prints and stuff on it, very nice. But these are really nice too. This set is just shaping up to be a very nice, very pretty set. This is another one from Stickii Club. It doesn't look like they had a lot of artists this time. That's interesting. I don't know. How do I show you? Here we go. Because they were completely transparent. But then we have some little like field note sheets with different little specimens on there. Well, this one says magic. I like that. I think it's a really, really fine line between witchy and like nature, like journal type stuff. So I love the overlay there. And these are really cute too. I like that. It's really interesting. I think it's been a while since I've seen a Stickii Club set where they don't have like an artist. Like this is 3 sheets of Stickii Club, and usually it's only about 2. So like maybe I'm just blowing it out of proportion. But maybe not. I don't know. This is, it's Katria Raiden. That's her name, yeah. Katria Raiden. And there's her info. So she's the one who did the sticky notes, or the little notepad. And then here's a larger set of her work, and that's really nice too. It has an interesting finish. It's like semi-glossy. It's not full gloss. It looks very glossy when I do this, but it's not super glossy. It's hard to sort of describe. These are really cool. I think these are my favorite in this little set. But that's very neat. I like the skulls. Great specimens. And then we have these, and they're on like a semi-translucent sheet. So I'll just back that so you guys can see it better. And this is from Nusei Watercolor, Insect and Fungi. And then there's their info down there. And then you have some like insects, which I love. I really love these type of bugs. Like this one is cool. I love the moth. Those are my favorite. The turtle shell is neat. Always love a good skull. But these are really cool. This is a really great set. This is beautiful. I don't know what this is. This is a peanut head something lanternfly. Fulgora? Sure. Aren't lanternflies like super invasive? Wasn't there like a whole thing on TikTok about like murdering them all? I feel like there was. Interesting choice of subject for this sticker sheet, but it is sort of an interesting looking bug, so yeah, I get it. I'm here for the moths still. The moths are my boys. But that's still really neat. I really love this set. This is something I will genuinely get a lot of use out of because it's right in my wheelhouse, and I kind of have been in the mood to do a nature-y journal, like just a regular nature, witch in the woods type of stuff. But I have other things to do first. So again, that will also go on the back burner with the dinosaur journal. One day, when I have countless hours of time. But I love this. This is really great. And I'm very excited for this set. That was a really good set. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. And I will catch you guys all in the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your faces. And until next time, guys, bye!